Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to Self-Improvement TV. In this video, I will discuss side effects of low-carb diet. This video is going to be very informative and insightful. So make sure you watch this video till the end because you will never get a second chance in life. Please hit like and share this video on your social media. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out on our future updates. Let's start the video. Many people curious about starting a low-carb diet wonder if there are side effects they need to be aware of before getting started. Many people also wonder if there are harmful low-carb diet side effects too. So let's look at the most common side effects of low-carb dieting and talk about whether any of these are harmful. Some of these low-carb diet side effects can be problematic for people with health conditions, particularly if they're taking medications for those conditions. Often the side effects are good, but you need to be aware they can happen and talk to your medical care provider because they'll need to monitor your progress and possibly change, reduce, or eliminate medications as you progress. For instance, a very common low-carb diet side effect is lowered, or more even blood sugar levels. This is an important low-carb diet side effect for any diabetic, particularly ones that take insulin shots or medication. Since low-carb diets can drastically reduce your blood sugar levels naturally, your doctor may need to adjust your medication levels to compensate for those changes. Another low-carb diet side effect is of course losing a lot of weight. This by itself is not technically a side effect, but related effects of losing weight can include regulation of blood pressure, easing or disappearance of digestive tract problems, and resolution of breathing problems too. If you're taking high blood pressure medication, then the side effect of having that lowered from eating a low-carb diet will need to be addressed by your doctor or medical care specialist. The same applies for digestive troubles. If you experience resolution to those problems as a low-carb dieting side effect, your doctor will need to adjust or eliminate the medications you take. Now, if you don't take medications for conditions such as I told before, you may still experience low-carb diet side effects, but they're likely to be ones you're happy to have. Common good low-carb diet side effects include reduced cravings for sugars and starches, increased energy, reduced bloated and gassy, upset stomach feelings, improved bowel movements, regulated blood sugar levels and blood pressure levels, loss of excess water retention, and of course, loss of excess body fat. There are some low-carb diet side effects that are not harmful, but you need to be aware of them because they are uncomfortable at best. These low-carb diet side effects are more common during the first 1 to 5 days on the diet and are side effects of your body adjusting to your eating changes. These side effects can include headaches, nausea, dizziness, lethargy or low energy, severe sugar cravings, irritability, and constipation. There are also a couple of women-specific low-carb diet side effects. In the first week or two of your new low-carb diet, you may experience oddities with your monthly menstrual flow. Usually this side effect lasts a short time though, and is caused by your body adjusting to the new eating lifestyle you've chosen. A great low-carb diet side effect comes later. Women's menstrual flow is usually reduced, and there is generally much less pain or other problems involved while you're on a low-carb diet. Many of those early low-carb diet side effects can be reduced by drinking extra water and getting plenty of rest, plus making sure you don't go hungry. In rare cases, these initial low-carb diet side effects can last as long as 10 days. But usually they're present from approximately the 3rd to the 5th day of your low-carb diet. Thanks for watching this video. Please comment if you have any questions about this video. Make sure you have subscribed to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Your feedback is very important. Stay tuned and keep in touch. See you in the next video.